Bollywood stars who became victims of nepotism. Abhay Deol. From Devdi to Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, this underrated actor has proved his versatility but never got any big budget film from big banners. Moreover, he always keeps his profile low and has no good connection with Khans and Kapoors of Bollywood. Sushant Singh Rajput. We have already lost this actor, and it is now saying that he is the victim of nepotism and groupism in Bollywood. The late actor Sushant got immense commercial success for his exceptional acting skill. Akshay Khanna. The rare talent of Bollywood, Akshay Khanna, is blessed with flawless acting skills with great comic sense but did not get big Bollywood films. Randeep Hooda. Even after delivering a spectacular performance in Sarabjit, this actor is not seen frequently in high-budget films in Bollywood. R. Madhavan. 90s heartthrob Madhavan stole millions of hearts by his debut film Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein, but his versatility has been shown in Guru and Three Idiots. But he got victim of the nepotism. Jimmy Shergill. From a romantic hero in Yahan to a super cop in Madari, this actor has been the powerhouse of talent. Sharman Joshi. Despite doing back-to-back marvelous performances in Three Idiots, Golmaal and many more, he didn't get enough limelight. Arshad Varsi. Another underrated actor of Bollywood, Arshad Varsi, is unforgettable for playing Circuit in Munna Bhai MBBS. Being an outsider, this actor doesn't get enough lead role in Bollywood. KK Menon. One of the finest performers, KK Menon himself confessed that he didn't get enough opportunity as he came from a theatre background. Ranveer Shori. For the lack of heroic physique, this actor's talent has been turned down in Bollywood. Rahul Bose. This exceptionally talented actor keeps a low profile in Bollywood. For this reason, he couldn't get enough recognition. Kunal Kapoor. This gifted actor did many challenging roles but always appeared in supporting roles. As a deserving outsider, Kunal couldn't taste enough Bollywood success. Ali Fazal. He first got noticed in a small role in Three Idiots, and after that, he has never seen playing the lead character in any big budget film in the silver screen. Tahir Raj Bhasin. Winning hearts by playing a dark role in Mardani alongside Rani Mukherjee, Tahir hasn't received enough recognition for his acting skill. Sanjay Mishra. Undoubtedly, Sanjay Mishra is one of the gem actors in Bollywood who never cared about commercial success. Vijay Raz. This unconventionally talented actor has always seen in supporting roles in every film he did. Though he has been doing films for the last 18 years, but was never offered any big budget movie. Deepak Dobriyal. This actor came into Bollywood as an outsider but won many hearts by playing Pappi Ji in Tanu Vets Manu. Deepak Dobriyal is one of those finest actors who are underrated because of Bollywood's lobby and nepotism. Manish Chaudhary. He has not worked in many films, but who can really forget him in Rocket Singh? This underrated yet talented performer runs his own theatre group. Adil Hussain. This actor was first noticed with his sarcastic yet loyal middle-class husband in English Winglish with Sri Devi. He never received enough fame in Bollywood, and now Adil is busy doing Hollywood projects. What do you think about those underrated actors who are victims of nepotism? Write your thoughts in the comment box and please subscribe our channel for more updates.